Catch weight. Complete catch weight management ERP.
Manufacturing work order with catch weight. So from manufacturing module, we are going to select a bill of material. Now we have to set the routing for this. So we can see here a routing field, click on it and select the routing. Now save. Next we'll go to manufacturing orders. Create a manufacturing order. Select the product. Now here we can see routing and the bill of material for that product. Now here create work order. After we can see here work order button, click on it. Here we can see the routing name, order, product and the status is ready. Click on it. Now start working. Here now the process is in progress. After clicking done, it will go to finish status. Now we'll go to done. Here we can see the process is finished. Now we'll go back to order and we can see this one is status is finished. This is our MRP work order with catch weight.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.